Here's another force that's pretty much self-working. You can take a shuffled deck of cards, and this one's called the Hot Rod Force because it's named after the Hot Rod magic trick, the neat little thing with the paddle move. So you just deal out 6 cards here, and you can mix them up. Okay, each card gets mixed. Okay, and then you just ask the spectator to give you a number between 1 and 6. And if they say 1, go O-N-E. That lands on this card. They look at it, and that's the force card. And it's the same principle as the hot rod, if you know that trick. So all you're doing, you're dealing 6 cards. You have your force card on the top. Okay, so in this case, the 6 of hearts. That way you can shuffle as long as you keep the card on top. And then deal out 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this way, to keep a, just to force the top card, which is here now, I just say, we'll just give the cards a mix, and then you just start at one end and then just kind of switch every other card as you go down the row. Now when you get here, this is the force card. You're not doing anything funny. Now it's over here in the 3rd position. And then they give you a number between 1 and 6. They give you 1, you go O-N-E, lands right here in the 6 of hearts. That's the force card. If they say 2, you just spell out 2, T-W-O, you land on this card again. They say 3, you just count 1, 2, 3, you land on this card. They say 4, then you start at this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you spell out F-O-U-R, 5, F-I-V-E, and then 6, S-I-X. So you're always forcing this card, the 3rd card on the table, that you got from being the top card. And that's the Hot Rod Force. And it's really easy to do, and it's pretty much self-working. So please let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe, and leave me a comment. I appreciate it. Till next time.